Hi Lovies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Fumi Ford. I'm a wife, I'm a mom, I'm a content creator based out of Birmingham, Alabama, but she's a Niger babe, Nigerian born. My channel is all things fashion, beauty, entrepreneurship, and a little bit of luxury sprinkled in between. You guys know I am a handbag fanatic, and today I have an unboxing of a bag that I didn't know I needed until I got it. So without further ado, since you guys say I talk too much, let's get to the unboxing of my new Gucci tote bag. So if you've been following me for a while, you know I am a mini bag sort of girl. A sis is 4'11", 5 feet on a good day. I am fun size. So I love bags that are a little bit smaller, a little bit petite, that are structured with a top handle. I have never thought I needed a tote bag until I started traveling a lot more. And as I traveled more and I went on styling gigs, because I style as well, I realized I was putting all of my items into 10 little bags. And one day my best friend was like, girl, just get one tote bag so that you don't have to carry around 3 little bags. So I knew I needed a tote bag. I wanted it to be functional. I wanted it to be maximalist. I don't care what anybody says. I love some minimalist bags. Like I love Bottega. I like Lovies. These are all minimalist brands, which means that they're not very logo heavy. I love those brands, but I also am obsessed with logos. Like I am a big fan of logo mania. So I knew I wanted my bags to have especially my tote bag to have logo on it. So it was between the Dior book tote, which I'm going to put to the side, the Fendi Sunshine bag, which is also to the side. Those were the ones that I was fighting about getting. And then I got a text from my SA at Saks, and she's also a really good friend. She was like, by the way, we're having a pop-up shop. FYI, I live in Alabama. Let me say that again. I live in Alabama, so we don't get a lot of things here. Like usually I have to go to Vegas or California or Atlanta to get the items that I want. And she was like, we're having a pop-up shop. The World Games is here in Birmingham. And so they got a pop-up shop with some of the luxury brands in New York at the Saks in New York. And so she was like, we got some of them to send some items. And the 3 brands that they got was Fendi, Gucci, and Dior, which I'm going to put a video of me going into the stores. So she texted and she was like, listen, as soon as they come in, rush and come get what you want. So the day all the items came in, she sent me a picture and I said, I am on my way. I called my best friend. I picked my kids up, wiped their snotty noses up, and we ran to Saks to look at the display. They had Fendi in one place, Gucci in one place, and in the back was Dior. As you can see in the video, I'm like looking around, smelling the bags, looking at the bags, being a part of the ambiance. It was a lot. For me, the experience is part of the whole thing. Like I could order online and not get the same experience as going to see the bag in person and feeling it and talking to an associate that kind of knows about the bags, the materials. So it was so fun to go in there and pick out the bag. The first bag I saw was this Gucci tote. And like I said, I was trying to decide whether I wanted the Dior book tote, which they had the Dior book tote there, or the Sunshine. And they had the Sunshine there. So I got to see both bags in person. But this Gucci was like, sis, come on, take me home. And my best friend was like, Fumi, this is so you. this is the bag that you need to get. So I ended up getting that bag. You guys saw the unboxing, but let's talk about it in a little bit more detail. So since the bag came from New York, I got a Saks bag with it. It did not come with the box, but it did come with the dust bag, both dust bags. They are shipping the receipt and the box from New York to my house. So I have the box that goes along with it just in case I ever decide to sell it. This bag is a part of the Gucci Aria. I have one other bag that came with the Gucci Aria, the collection that was, I think, last year. Has it been 2 years? Last year or 2 years ago, I'm not sure. But I do have my Gucci mini tote, the Gucci Mini Diana, which it's one of the videos, but I'll link it down below. You can see the unboxing of that, but it is a smaller tote. It's the Diana. This is the larger version. It has the interlocking GGs, but it is maximalist. The logo is a lot bigger. I'm going to bring it a little bit closer. Of course, this is not leather. It is canvas. Again, it's interlocking GGs. It's large. It's a bit larger than the regular Gucci sign that's on their canvas bags. It is a pretty substantial bag. I'm going to put a video of how it looks on my body, how long the straps are when I put it on, and how it looks next to a petite person. It is a pretty large bag. I would probably never wear it as a crossbody, but as a tote bag, as a carry-on, as a travel bag, it's absolutely perfect. It does have crossbody straps that are adjustable. That's another thing that made me buy this bag it was the straps, right? It has that green, red, green, the Gucci colors. It is cloth straps with leather in it as well. It has gold hardware. I don't know why I keep saying but please forgive me. It has gold hardware. I'm going to bring it a little bit closer. Look at that. So gorgeous. It's not a deep gold. It's more so a lighter gold. Why do I keep saying I'm so sorry. I don't know why, but we're going to work on that. It has, again, the gold. It's a lighter gold, and it closes with a clasp right at the top. You'll see me in the video kind of unclasping it so you can see how it closes. What I would recommend is getting purse inserts, and I'll put links from Amazon for the purse inserts to kind of help the purse keep its shape, as well as it gives you different compartments to the purse, because right now it's a tote bag, so there are no compartments. It just has one zippered area. It has just a little slot for an SLG or your credit cards, but it does not have any other compartments. As you saw in the video, it has, again, the zippered compartment and then wide open space because it is a tote bag. But what you can do is get a purse insert from Amazon and stick it in there. That will kind of break up the compartments if you don't want just one wide open space. I would also recommend getting a purse insert to help the bag keep its shape. One of the recommendations on the Gucci site, it's to stuff the bag. Now it does come with stuffing, so you can keep the stuffing, but bag inserts and bag holders are so inexpensive on Amazon. They help the bag keep the shape so that it doesn't start to fold in on itself, because again, it's not leather, it is canvas. You do want to make sure you don't get a lot of water on the purse, that you keep it in a temperature controlled area. If you do get it dirty or wet, just do cloth to kind of remove the dirt off of it. And if you get it wet, use another cloth to kind of pat it dry. It has a lot of care instructions on the Gucci website. But again, it's not a bag I feel like I have to fuss over, which is what you want in a tote bag. You don't want a tote bag that you feel like you have to like baby. You don't want a lambskin tote bag that you feel like you can't really travel with. It's just for decoration and to look pretty. You want your tote bag to be functional. And to me, this is a very functional tote bag. The inside also has it's like a tan cloth on the inside, so you want to make sure that you're keeping it clean. One thing that I do with most of my bags, if the inside is not leather, I will get a bag insert, or I will use the dust bag to put my items inside and then put that inside the bag. So what is actually getting dirty is the dust bag. Out of like, if I had to rate this bag 1 out of 10 right now, it's really at a 9. It's functional. It's big enough. It fits a lot of things. Let's talk about the items that actually fit inside this tote bag. One of my favorite things out of this bag is the functionality of it. Again, like I said, I have bags that are cute, but they're not functional. This is very functional. So let's talk about what can actually fit inside of this bag. I'm going to move to the side and just kind of bring it over so we can kind of look at what fits inside of it. Right now, I have a whole laptop. Did you see that? An entire laptop came out of this bag. So you can fit a full-size laptop. This is the iMac. No, this is the MacBook Pro in the larger size, and it fits perfectly and comfortably into this. I'm not going to stick it back in. Also, a purse. So let's say you wanted to carry another mini bag with it. This is the Coach PillowTabby in the 19. It fits comfortably inside of the bag. A pair of sunglasses with the case and the box fits comfortably inside of the bag. And then you can, let's say you're going to a concert and you have on heels, but your feet are going to kill you. You can throw not tennis shoes. You can throw a pair of sandals in there. These are the Airman's Around sandals, which we'll do a video talking about these shoes. Oh, do not recommend. And there was room for even more stuff inside of the bag. So again, it's not just a bag that looks good, that's cute. It's a bag that's functional. And when it comes to a tote bag, you want it to look good, but more importantly, you want it to be functional. It's perfect for work. It's perfect for travel, beach. I wouldn't take it to the beach, but the girls that love to girl with bags that are expensive at the beach, take it to the beach. I'm not that girl. So that's it for this video. Comment below and let me know your rating for this bag based off look and functionality. What would you give it out of 10? Comment any questions that you have about any tote bag that you're thinking about getting, whether it's luxury or it's not. I will have a tote bag recommendation down below. So I'm going to list 5 of my favorite tote bags down below. So make sure you go and read. Comment any tote bags that you have that you love so that we can all kind of learn from each other and buy from each other. Recommendations are like my favorite thing. And on this channel, it's not just about talking about what we have, but it's about talking about what we have and how it's functional, how it works, just in case you ever think about buying it. If you have any other video recommendations, comment it down below so that I can make sure that I shoot it just for you. Thank you so much for coming on this side of the internet with me. I enjoyed this, okay? I always have fun talking with my community. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button so you can become a part of this amazing community. Like, comment, and share this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.